Alright, so make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, go to skool.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head to your profile icon in the top right corner and click on Settings. This will take you to a page showing all the communities you've joined. As you can see on my screen, I'm part of quite a few school communities, including both free and paid ones. For example, School of Mentors and the Aspinall Way are paid, costing $39 per month. So let's talk about how to leave a community, whether it's free or paid. The process is exactly almost same. Within the Communities section, you'll see a list of all the communities you've joined. Just find the one you want to leave. Click on Settings next to it. Click on Membership tab. For the paid community, click on Manage Membership. Then hit Cancel Membership and confirm. And that's it. You've successfully left the community. So whether it's free or paid, this is the exact method to follow if you want to leave a school community. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you're new to Skool and want to create your own community, check out the link in the description just for new community creators. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.